Split screen instructions. So on the taskbar, I have Windows Edge open and also Google Chrome open. So those are two separate browsers that are both open. On the taskbar, right-click and choose Show Windows Side by Side. And you can move them so that they're side by side and extend them so they're full width. And then you can click the search button and type SN. You should get your snipping tool, and you'll be able to click create and actually take a picture, capture a picture of both two different browsers opened and in a split screen, so you can work on both screens. So there's another way to do this. So I'll close out without saving it, and I'll put this in full screen. So let's say I don't have Windows Edge open. So I'll open Windows Edge and I'll close it out. And I have just Stick and Blackboard, so I have just two. And I could have, I could change this one to maybe Google. So I have Google and Stick website. Now, to have a split screen when they're sharing the same tabs, you cannot split screen. If you were to actually take either one of these and drag it away, you separate them. So if you look down at the bottom, there is two Google, Stick and Google, two browsers from the same Google Chrome. Now, when I choose right-click and show side by side, I can have two of the same. They're originally in the same window, just a different tab, but in order to do a split screen, I had to separate the tabs. I can have more tabs here, but in order to view these as a split screen, you have to remove one of them, and that's just hold and drag away so that you make them separate windows and not separate tabs. And then you can do a split screen. Thank you.